Bizmetrica is a multifaceted tool for private label and wholesale Walmart Marketplace sellers. There are three parts of Bizmetrica that can help you get the insights and the data needed to make powerful buying decisions, regardless of if you are a wholesale or private label seller. You can also calculate your numbers and get a ton of valuable sourcing insights to grow your business. And in this video, I'm going to go into the three ways that Bizmetrica can help you with our tools to grow your Walmart Marketplace business. And it does not matter if you are a private label or wholesale seller, because this is useful for all sellers in this regard. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll have a link in the description below if you're interested in learning more, and also a 20% off code for Bizmetrica off of your monthly subscription forever. The very first tool by Bizmetrica for Walmart Marketplace sellers is going to be the profit calculator. And the profit calculator automatically generates when you select a Walmart listing. This is what it looks like here, and you can move it around in the window to wherever you'd like. The information in the calculator is going to be the item ID, the UPC. We show estimates for monthly units only if we have enough data, but if we don't, then we don't want to issue a number so that we're not misleading you when you're sourcing the product. We also show the amount of sellers. You can enter in your targeted ROI, which will then give you your max cost to reach that ROI. And there are hyperlinks to the Amazon listings and to Google searches. So if you're on multiple marketplaces, Amazon and Walmart, this is super helpful for that. And here you have the buy box price, dimensions of the product, and the weight, which does influence the fees. You can enter in your buy cost here, and then here are all of the fees associated. If there are other miscellaneous costs in your business, you can enter them here in the other cost. Also costs like prep and hazardous fee and polybag prep fees, things like that. All right, this is a shortcut button to take you straight to your profits and your final numbers. So you'll get your net, your margin, and your ROI. You can also enter in the quantity. So if you're buying a wholesale lot of, let's say, 300 units, then you'll get all of those numbers here in total. We're also very, very cognizant of making Bizmetrica a better software for our users. So we're always anticipating and looking for feedback from you guys, from our users. And this is a great place to enter feedback. If you have either any issues or any room for improvement, we're totally open to that, and we're all ears. And we're working hard to make Bizmetrica better for you guys every single day. All right. Really quick, I want to show you what the hyperlinks do. So if I click on Amazon hyperlink, it'll take me to the search for this product on Amazon. And here's the product right here. This is the same product from Walmart listing. If I click on the Google hyperlink, then it'll run a search on Google for that product. And one of the first search results is the Amazon listing. And then you also see it on ASUS's official website and things like that. So just super helpful for seeing what presence this product has on other websites, you know, whether it's the company's website or Amazon. So super helpful that way. And that's the calculator. Bizmetrica's second feature for Walmart Marketplace sellers is going to be our historical charts. And I'm using this listing as an example. So let's go through the charts, right? These are the charts. And the first chart is going to be the pricing over time, the category ranking over time, and the subcategory if available, and the review count over time. And so this is huge and is super helpful when sourcing, because a product might look good today, but you don't know what the pricing is going to be like tomorrow. Let's take this for example. Pricing over time. We see that in January, this was priced at $41.35. Going into February, it was actually went up to $42.65. But as we go into March, we see that the pricing starts going lower and lower. And this is trouble for third-party sellers like yourself, right? So if it was at $42, 41, give or take, a couple of months ago, but in March it's at $34, clearly it's going down and down and down. And at the time of this video, the buy box price is $24.95. So this is definitely trouble. And you probably don't want to jump on a listing like this because it's just going down, down, down. Maybe the product is not selling quickly enough for the sellers on the listing and they're just trying to offload it by lowering the price. But you don't want to get caught in this situation, because you can definitely lose money by sourcing it. Even if you're profitable at $24.95, it can still go lower. There haven't been any signs of it going higher. And so this is a sign that the buy box price is just going lower and lower, and you can lose money this way, right? This is why we feel that the historical charts is a huge part of sourcing for you guys, and I definitely use it myself. Super important, reviewing these trends. Use Bizmetrica's historical charts to review the trends of the product listing to make sure that the buy box price stays at a consistent price where you're actually profitable, and to avoid losing money. That's one of the most helpful tools of the chart, or ways to use the chart, I should say, is to make sure that the buy box price is strong, and that you'll ultimately make money and not lose money in the long run. Bizmetrica's third and final feature is going to be the full page search results. And it's called full page search results because you can search for data at a mass view on a search results page. And let me show you what I'm talking about. So when you are searching for a particular brand, let's say you got an offer from a brand direct or a supplier that works closely with a brand, you can just search for the brand and then get data and results for that search, right? So let's go ahead and click on the plugin. After you have searched for a brand, you now have the search results, and all you have to do from there is click on the plugin. And I've already opened up another page because it does take a moment to generate, but let's go into the page, and these are the search results and the data for all of the products in this page, which I've already opened up here. Now, I need to mention that it's per page, so it's not going to go over to the second page, to the third page. You'll have to run separate search results for that. But let's go in for the first page, right? And the first thing you see here is the average revenue for the brand, the average ROI, the price range of the products, the average rating for the products, and the average reviews. If you click on the item ID, it'll take you straight to the product listing, and yeah, you have a ton of valuable data that you can use for sourcing all of these products. So something that I used the search results feature for when I was starting my business is just going through the brand that I work closely with and sort of just prioritizing the listings that I can, sell the most of by looking at the monthly units. I'm looking for the products that sell the most per month and prioritizing those, and then eventually coming to the products that, sell less per month. And it's really just a way to fast track growing your listing base and growing the amount of listings that you're on Walmart. But this is also a super helpful tool for private label sellers. So if you are thinking of starting your own private label product, you can just search that private label product on Walmart and essentially pull all of the data here just like this. You can download your search results by clicking on the download link and take this with you to review onto an Excel sheet. You can click on the Google Trends search results and get insights for the brand or the product that you're searching here over on the Google side. And then you can get a hyperlink to source the product on Alibaba, which for Dove I would not recommend, but if you're doing a private label, this is definitely extremely helpful to get insights for your private label product idea. So definitely super helpful there. And if you are looking to fast track your listings and get a mass glance of the listings that you can sell, then this right here is super, super helpful. And I extremely highly recommend using this to grow your Walmart business.